Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Still on our topic, class. Our topic says preposition. I'll say that. Preposition. Preposition means mbuzo. Mbuzo in Igbo. Under it, you are going to look into a topic that says pass under. I'll say that. Pass under. Yes. Pass under in Igbo, it simply means gafe n'okpuru. Class, repeat after me. Gafe n'okpuru. Yes. You can see this table and this ball. This ball pass under the table. Remember, last time we learned about pass over. Pass over. Gafe n'elu. Let's see it in sentences. Number one, sentence number 1A says, ball passed under the table. Class, say it. Ball passed under the table. You can see the ball. It passed under this table. In Igbo, it simply means ball gafere n'okpuru okpokoro. Say it again. Ball gafere n'okpuru okpokoro. Remember, Igbo language, we don't have any other name for ball, but we spell it using Igbo alphabet. Ball gafere n'okpuru okpokoro. Okpokoro means table in Igbo. Table, okpokoro. Let's see the second sentence. Sentence 2A says, sheep is passing under the bridge now. Sheep is passing under the bridge now. This is a bridge. This is the ship with the people inside. Sheep is passing under the bridge. You can see that they are under the bridge. Look at the bridge on top. And look at the ship under the bridge. In Igbo, it simply means ụgbọ mmiri na-agafe n'okpuru akwa mmiri ugbu a. Ship is passing under the bridge now. Ụgbọ mmiri na-agafe n'okpuru akwa mmiri ugbu a. Ndị klaasị kwuo ya ọzọ. Ụgbọ mmiri na-agafe n'okpuru akwa mmiri ugbu a. Yes, akwa mmiri means bridge in Igbo. Okay? Class, let me ask you people. Is this ship passing over the bridge now? No. Ship is passing under the bridge now. Passing under the bridge. Ọ na-agafe n'okpuru. Ndị class, ka m jụọ unu, ụgbọ mmiri a ọ na-agafe n'elu akwa mmiri a? Mba. Ụgbọ mmiri na-agafe n'okpuru akwa mmiri ugbu a. Ugbu a means now. Now, ugbu a. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.